How to cultivate shiitake mushrooms, Lentinula Edodes, to success for beginners. Shiitake, Lentinula Edodes, or mushroom hyoko or shiitake mushrooms or mushroom umbrellas is a food or mushroom that can be consumed originating from East Asia. In Indonesia, this fungus is also called the fungus yengkol because of its shape and aroma like yengkol, but there are people who say this mushroom tastes like petai flavor. Shiitake mushroom classification. Kingdom, fungi. Phylum, Basidiomycota. Class, Homo Basidiomycetes. Order, Agaricales. Family, Marasmiaceae. Genus, Lentinula. Species, L. Edodes. Binomial name, Lentinula Edodes. Shiitake mushrooms are widely cultivated in China, Korea, and Japan and can be found in the wild in mountainous areas of Southeast Asia. Shiitake or Chinese black fungus is derived from China. In the Ming Dynasty from 1368 to 1644, a doctor named Wu Zhuai wrote that shiitake mushrooms can not only be consumed as food but also have many other benefits as a cure for airway disease, blood circulation, relieve liver disorders, restore fatigue and increase qi energy. Shiitake is also believed to prevent premature aging. Here's a complete explanation of shiitake mushroom cultivation. 1. Shiitake mushroom growing requirements. To perform the cultivation of shiitake mushrooms, the ideal area is an area with an altitude of about 700 to 1,200 meters above sea level. Since this fungus grows naturally in low-lying jungle forests, cultivation sites need to be prepared in such a way that light intensity and moisture levels as their natural habitat. 2. Preparation of shiitake mushroom cultivation. Usually shiitake mushroom cultivation is done in a closed room. It is done to create environmental conditions similar to the original habitat of this fungus grows. In the room, also prepared several high-rise shelves to arrange baglug shiitake mushrooms vertically. The shelf can be made by bamboo. 3. Preparation of shiitake mushroom growing media. This mushroom growing media can be made from wood powder about 80 to 90% mixed with bran about 5 to 15%, lime or CaCO3, 1% and water 65%, then stir evenly. In order for better nutritional content can be added also grains 1 to 2%. Furthermore, the mixture is fermented in advance for 4 to 7 days until the condition of the medium is true until it is properly ideal for mold growth. The media is stored in a large bucket and place it in a humid and protected room. Perform the flicker until it is turned off every day to keep the wild mushrooms in dye media. After that, insert the media in baglug plastic bag then solidify. Then, sterilize the planting medium by steaming with water vapor temperature of 90 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius for 5 to 7 hours. It aims to sterilize planting media from pests, germs, bacteria, and disease seeds. Next, place the baglug media planting the shiitake mushroom planting medium into the prepared space and leave it for 24 hours for the temperature to return to normal. 4. Shiitake mushroom planting. The whole set of shiitake mushroom cultivation process is done in a clean and sterile room. Spray the alcohol into the cotton-clogged bottle of F3 and heat the cotton with a fire of spiritus until part of the surface of the cotton is burned. Then, turn off the burning fire and remove the cotton plug to open the bottle. Stir briefly the contents of the bottle using sterilized wire. Next, apply the seeds to the surface of the baglug neck until covered completely. As the top layer, close the baglug surface with cotton on the top. 5. Incubation process of shiitake mushroom cultivation media. Incubation is the process of maintaining mycelium on the baglug. This process is usually done in a room with a constant temperature so that the moisture level inside the baglug can be maintained. Not recommended to regulate the humidity of the room, either by spraying water or by other means. This is because increasing the humidity of the incubation room does not have a big effect on the moisture in the plastic. Indeed, the humidity of the room can lead to wild spores that will disrupt the growth of fungal seeds. 6. Maintenance and care of Shiitake mushroom baglug. Keep indoor temperature conditions, open cotton as needed, and provide certain stimuli for optimum fungus growth. Once the bag loop is full of mycelium, move the bag loop to the maintenance room. If already past the growth stage of mycelium, the next process will appear a lump on the bag loop. Loosen a little cotton arrangement on the bag loop so that the air circulation becomes smooth. A few days later, there is a pigmentation process that is marked by a change of bag loop color to brown. That is, cotton cover bag loop can be opened completely so that the bag loop surface is hardened like a log. Next, give physical stimulation to the process of conception. Shiitake mushrooms walk by the water spray to make bag loop temperature to cool. Once the stimulation process is complete, the bag loop can be rearranged to the storage rack. Keep the oxygen and humidity levels in the room. This process is done by adjusting the position of air vents, such as opening the window when it rains and closing it when it is hot. Meanwhile, to adjust the air humidity of the room can be done by spraying water into the air, not to bag loop. 7. Shiitake mushroom harvesting. Generally, shiitake mushroom harvest period can be done after 5 to 6 months since the incubation process, that is when the umbrella mushroom cover has opened up to 60 to 75. Each bag loop can be harvested as much as 2 to 3 times per harvest period with rest periods for 6 months. Harvesting is too long can cause the quality of the fungus decreases, whereas if too fast to do, then the result is less than the maximum and the quality is still low. Shiitake mushroom harvesting is done by cutting the mushroom stems are feasible, then mushrooms collected in one place and sorted according to the size of the umbrella. Then, shiitake mushrooms can be distributed. So we are discussing about how to cultivate shiitake mushrooms in order to harvest abundance and success for beginners. Hopefully the video we serve can be useful for us all. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.